Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, then hit enter. Then type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command, type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command, cd space c:/. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command, bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command, md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot /bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space c:/boot /bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.